Welcome to Cosplay Kitchen. Today I'm going to give you my review of HelloFresh. Let's start out by saying that this video is not sponsored by HelloFresh, and all the opinions are mine and mine alone from my own experiences. Now let's start out by talking about the packaging. Each meal comes individually packaged in its own bag. Most of the packaging is recyclable. What makes it great is because of each is in their own bag at mealtime that makes it really simple. If you're somebody who doesn't plan on using the produce for about 5 days or so, you're going to want to remove it from the bag, however, as that does encourage spoilage. Most of the produce and all the ingredients that we received were of good to great quality. The only negative was that while the chicken and pork cutlets were really tasty, the cut on them themselves was a little bit on the messy side. Now for the recipes themselves. The recipes were simple to follow, very tasty, and used minimal dishes, which are all really great things in my book. We got the Calorie Smart option. The food was excellent. The only downside was that most of the side dishes consisted of either rice, potatoes, or couscous. So if you're somebody who's watching your carb intake, you may want to be aware of this. Now the other great thing about this is that for the price, I felt like it was very fair. If you're somebody who's a great bargain shopper, you're definitely going to be spending much less at the grocery store. However, if you're somebody who gets takeout, this is going to be significantly cheaper. The meals take about 30 to 45 minutes to prepare, so if you're somebody who tends to be in a hurry, again, this is a really great option for you. So for anyone who is running short on time, doesn't like to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, this is right up your alley. Now the big question is, would I get this again? For me personally, being a budget shopper in the grocery store and an avid home cook, it's not something that I chose to continue with. That being said, if I found myself at a point in time in life that was extraordinarily busy, say maybe around the holidays next year, I might be willing to do this again because it is an excellent time saver and a way to make sure that my family gets something healthy and homemade even in the busy rush. The other big thing a lot of people tend to worry about is, am I going to be stuck in this subscription forever? Going and canceling was extraordinarily easy. Their customer service was very responsive and very kind. So I would go into this having absolutely no stress about being stuck in any of this. So who is this best for? This is best for somebody who is new to cooking, doesn't like grocery shopping, or is just simply short on time. So if you fall into any of those categories, I'd highly recommend for you to try HelloFresh. So thanks for joining us. I hope you had a good time today. Be sure to check out my other videos.